Hello guys, welcome to Gadgets Technology. In today's video, we will discuss some of the amazing features of newly released GoPro Hero 11. Let's continue with our video. GoPro has launched its latest action camera family, and for 2022, there are two in the lineup, the GoPro Hero 11 Black and Hero 11 Black Mini. The cameras both sport the same 10-bit sensor, which is the real headline feature here, with its 8:7 aspect ratio and 27 MP resolution. So from one take, you can crop 9:16 clips for TikTok, 1:1 clips for Instagram, and 16:9 clips for YouTube without losing a ton of detail. The GoPro Hero 11 Black live launch showed us a near-identical design to last year's excellent Hero 10 Black, while the Hero 11 Black Mini is a sort of follow-up to the Hero 10 Black Bones, just with less of a focus on drones. They also feature GoPro's Enduro battery technology in the box and a simplified software experience. The key differences between the two cameras are screens and mounts. The Hero 11 Black Mini ditches both the front and rear screen, and its Enduro battery is built in. It isn't all compromised for the Mini, though. There's an extra set of mounting legs around the back of the camera, focusing on the Hero 11 Black family's new sensor, and its 1/1 9-inch size is matched with 27 MP resolution, higher than its 23 MP predecessor. GoPro promises superior stabilization and a new HYPERVIEW digital lens for an even more immersive perspective than past GoPros offered. It's also the first action camera to feature 10-bit color and can capture video up to 5.3K 50 FPS. The cameras also introduced the latest version of GoPro's trademark stellar stabilization, HYPERSMOOTH 5.0, and on the Hero 11 Black, that means 360 horizon lock without any add-ons at up to 5.3K resolution. GoPro's also introduced a feature called Auto Boost, which automatically applies the best stabilization for whatever you're shooting, which should go some way to helping make the Hero 11 Black one of the best action cameras of 2022. This time around, GoPro also upgrades its flagship camera's battery tech. While in the past you had to buy an Enduro battery separately, now it comes included with the Hero 11 Black, complete with its extended runtime and superior performance in cold climates. You only need to look at the last few GoPro cameras and their competition to see that companies have realized that action cameras need to do more than shoot action, and the theme is true for the new GoPro Hero 11 Black. First, let's be clear in terms of appearance. There is only one difference, and that's quite literally the one printed on the side. Here, given that the Hero 10 was already able to shoot above 4, it seemed a little greedy, almost to expect even more resolution this time around. Instead, GoPro's proprietary SuperView mode gets a boost up to 5 and a little more slow-mo in 4K. But that's about it for the existing video modes. Still images, however, receive solid jump from 23 megapixels right up to 27, which is nice. Instead, it's all about flexibility, which leads us neatly on to the next two features. First is 360-degree horizon lock. Horizon leveling was already pretty good on the Hero 10, but now it's unbreakable. If you're prone to wonky mounting your camera, this is a godsend. It's only available in linear mode for now. And possibly bigger advantage to this new tallest sensor is something called full-frame recording. This is more about recording absolutely everything that the sensor sees and then punching out the aspect ratio that you want after. The fact with full frame you can shoot once and pull a 16:9 video out for YouTube, and then a 9:16 video out for Instagram, all with no loss of resolution and even with different framing. There is a new HYPERVIEW mode, which is essentially everything from the 8:7 sensor squeezed into 16:9. Colors do seem to pop a little bit more without the slightly oversaturated look of older cameras. GoPro Hero 11 Black experience. It's better, and it builds on an already very capable platform that if you own a Hero 9 or a Hero 10, honestly, there's no real need to rush out and upgrade unless one of the new features solves a personal pain point. When you factor in strong competition from the likes of DJI and Insta360, both of which have new rivals in their lineup, the arrival of the Hero 11 makes this possibly the best time to be in the market for an action camera ever. We hope you have enjoyed our video. Kindly hit the subscribe button for more interesting updates from us.